Talk about how can you disable all offers and updates notifications on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. So then you click here on notifications, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on offers and updates. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to and subscribe from all offers and updates. Click here on all offers and updates, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here you disable it here for email, and here for so you disable it here for app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like it